Now in stage 62 we're going to be assembling Robi's first infrared eye sensor, and before we do that we need to completely strip down the Robi's head. So as we've done before, completely remove all the screws, stripping everything down, okay, to their components, safely storing all the screws, okay. Once you've done that, then just put the two eyes to the side and carefully put all the other parts to the side, as we're going to be using those in the future. Now take Robi's eyes, and doesn't matter which one which, because they're both exactly the same. Just put one to the side and push out Robi's lens, carefully noting inside, okay, you've got where the screws go, and what we need to do is we need to put some of the silver tape over theirs to cover those over. So get the silver tape that was provided, getting some tweezers, and then carefully placing that over the screw hole. Okay, do exactly the same to the other side. Pressing that down. Okay, next I'm going to take two of the frames. You've got frame A and frame B. One fits in the other because of the little, one's got little protrusions, the other one's got little holes. And take the infrared sensor, and one where one's got a notch and the other one hasn't. Placing that notch around the eye and the sensor like so. Carefully pushing those together. Being careful that there's not touching any of the circuitry. Okay, and then once you've done that, carefully replace Robi's eye ball, and then just carefully place that inside. And then once you've done that, line up the two holes. We want to make sure that the connector is the opposite side to this part here. Okay, and once you've done that, we can then secure that down using two 5mm screws. Now, fetch the head frames that we removed from the previous step, okay, and you'll notice that you've got one with a short part here and the other one with a longer part here, okay. Now, as you look at Robi, these parts need to be on this side, so as Robi is facing you, okay, you can see they're on that side. Now make sure you've got 4 of them ready, but 4 take one of the countersunk screws from the last step where we removed and disassembled Robi's head. Carefully screw the head sections down into place, so it should leave you with the longer one. Carefully screwing that down. Once again, do not over tighten. Okay, and once you've done that, that completes this stage.